you the some one PPT with you. This will be the subject syllabus, and we'll discuss one by one. So I will share the PPT to you. PPT is visible to all of you. Uh, Anyone please PPT? Yes. Okay. Now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now we yes. So I'm going to take first semester. In that we have 106. It will be the number. The subject name is digital business. Digital business. I'm going to teach you. But before going to this PPT, I will want to ask one question, general knowledge question to you. Recently, it was there. It was the first in Indian history. It was history of. It was the first time into the Indian history that things happen. So can you explain? Can you list that name? List that particular event? Anyone? It was the first time in India that was done.
Digital budget.
Yes, digital budget. Yes, this was the. This is the first time that the budget it is presented through the digital platform. And so many. If you see the in the Corona pandemic, lots of opening ceremony of various events, various programs can be done through the online. Yes or no? We are aware that we are pressing the key of the particular thing and remote and things can be open. So now in the Corona pandemic, lots of things are done. It can be online platform. So digital, we are tried everything through the digitally. So we are started. We are run our all Indian economy through the digital platform in the Corona pandemic. So all the classrooms already it is going on, but it was a good news for you people that yes, from 15th of February most probably you are in the campus most probably. So as per the guidelines and university, if they will give some guidelines as per the following the guidelines, maybe most probably maybe the 15th February will be the you will be in the campus. So not yet decided, but we are waiting for the guidelines from the university, and according to that we will discuss. So digital. So nowadays it is a part of our life itself. Every day we are starting with digital and we are ending our particular day with the digital. While sleeping also we are checking the last status updated by your friend. Yes or no? Yes? I am audible? Yes? Can you reply? Yes or no?
Sir.
At the end of yes, in the evening itself, we are in the night we are checking the status of our friends. What was the status updated by him or her? So this is the thing we are going through the digital. So nowadays, Indian economy, India also playing the role, or they are promoting the digital into every field, not into the particular into the education itself. We already implemented into our education field itself, and it can be implemented into various business. Nowadays, various factors. For example, automobile industry will take very good example. Automobile industry, lots of cars are coming with the implementation of digital technology into that technology platform. So if we list out some names, list out the same now. Kia has come, maybe the Tata Motors Nexon has come. So they have enabled the digital platform. A very good example we can give Tesla. Tesla, one of the car which is maybe the we are that technology has implemented most of the things they are implemented technology into that, and it is working according to that. So every field we are trying to convert that. So nowadays everyone is doing that. So same thing we should as a MBA graduate, as a manager of the future, that we should know a digital. 60% of the work can be done through the digital. 40% can be done through maybe the manual purpose, but digital can be there. So we have to use the digital. We have to use the technology. So we'll see that digital business. Just I downloaded from one image from the Google and it is there. Everything nowadays we are ordering from the online platforms and we are getting. And it was the Corona pandemic has given one opportunity to maybe the some organization to start up their business. To start up their business. Some of the organization has started. Some of this organization has started their operation into the digital. They have started because the customer they are getting through the maybe offline mode into the pandemic. They are less as compared to the this. So they have converted into the digital platform. And those who are not converted, maybe they are facing the issue. So as per the digital, as per the technology change, we should update ourselves. A very good example, if you are not able to change the technology, we are out of the market. We are out of the market. Now, if you see the mobile phones, in our, can you list the name or can you give the name which is the leading mobile smartphone provider or which was the mobile leader into the current market? Mobile leader who has acquired the maximum market of mobile phones into the current scenario. Anyone? I'm audible to all of you? MI, yes. Anyone? MI is the one.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Anyone? Any other answer?
Samsung.
Samsung, yes. Nokia, Nokia is there?
No, sir.
Yes. That was the answer I am asking. Nokia was the leading company before 2012, 2013.
Yes.
And after that, recently there is a change. Recently the Nokia, nowadays we will see the Nokia. No one having that Nokia phone. They are coming with the particular thing. You will see that MI mobile phones, day to day they are updating their technology. And we are technology. We want some updates into the current scenario, current mobile phones. Within 3 months, 4 months, we are changing our mobile phones. We are changing the things. But technology cannot be changed by the Nokia mobile phones. And due to that, they are out of the particular market. Nowadays, they don't have such products that compare with the particular things. Now, in my maybe the Samsung also leading phone, but nowadays if we go for the price and the technology or features provided by the particular mobile phones, we are going to check that and it into the particular things. It is there, then yes, you are the leader. Now MI will be the leader into that particular market. Maybe the Oppo will be there, but yes, these are the some. Why they are in leader? Because they are with the technology. As technology change, they update their technology into their field. So same thing, very good example if we go for the transportation, Ola and Uber. These are the things are there. Now traditional transportation. Generally, if you want to go any other place, we have to call to the particular driver. We have to visit to the particular place where the vehicles are stopped. There we are going and we are asking for the can we come for this particular trip. Nowadays it is not there. If drivers are not updated their things, if they are not educated with the particular technology, their business cannot be done. Nowadays, a single click and the car at your home. But yes, we are educated, but the drivers, those who are driving the cars, they are not. But they are able to acquire, they have acquired their knowledge, they have acquired the skills to how to use that particular mobile app. So this is the nothing but they have started their business. How digital business can be that? So it is there, digital business. Nowadays you will see the same things, maybe if you are listening FM or not, there are lots of advertisements are coming from that you are getting a food or maybe there's some vegetables online to your home. Lots of new entrepreneurship are coming on. New entrepreneurship are started digitally. You can just place the order and within a particular time, within a particular things, we are getting that. And maybe we are boundaryless. We are boundaryless. Due to the digital, our business can be a boundaryless. Yes, our product can be reached to any place. So our customer cannot be near from a particular Chinchwad area. No, my customer from the all over Maharashtra, all over country itself, or maybe out of country itself, we can reach to them. A single click and we can reach to them. So this is the digital. If you started in the traditional, if you started one business and it can be located only for the 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, yes, there is a range. But if we have transported that particular business into the digitally, surely yes, we can reach to the n number of customer in a small period of time. Yes. For example, we can, yes.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but the voice is not clear at all.
Voice is not clear at all. Okay, I will check from my side.
Voice is breaking.
Voice is so annoying, sir.
Now it is okay. I am audible to all of you.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Tanavkar.
I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Now, voice is clear or it is annoying?
Sir.
No, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Okay, yes.
Sir, we can
Please.
hear, but voice is so annoying, sir.
So annoying. What should- I have tried from my setting. I have gone to the setting and I have checked. It is okay from my side. And I don't.
Sir, you should change your headphone if you have other one.
I have changed near about 3 headphones from the morning. That's the things. Okay. I will try. I will try. So तुमचा हेडफोन द्या. Okay. We will wait for some time. My headphone will come. Okay. Now digital business. Can I start or can I wait for?
We can wait, sir. We can wait.
Okay, just a minute now. आवाज असं हे व्हायला annoying. Hello, I'm audible to all of you, please. Someone reply.
Yes, sir. Now voice is clear.
Voice is clear? Okay, okay, thanks, thanks. Okay, we will start with the PPT. So this was some introductory part where digital, nowadays without technology, we are not able to live into that, this thing. So nowadays, lots of new terms are coming. Maybe you are aware about the data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. These terms you have heard into the induction program itself. So these terms are coming into the this particular area, and yes, and we should know about what are the new technology, nothing but digital. If you are maybe started your own business, entrepreneurship, maybe you are working with one of the company, that how you are going to implement technology or digital into your business. So that things we are going to discuss in this particular subject, that is a digital business. So we'll see that one by one. So I have shared the PPT with you. It is visible to you, PPT? PPT is visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I will discuss. I have just downloaded this image from the Google, and this was image gives an idea what a digital business. Generally, we are very much happy to visit the various malls and going there, and we are going that. Maybe it should be a time spending over there. But purchasing through the online application, it gives some discounts, maybe some offers to you. So everything nowadays, due to the corona pandemic, the habits can be changed nowadays. Lots of customers, as a human being, we are purchasing our products. We are purchasing our products online only. Lots of products, near about 70% of the household requirement, maybe the whatever consumables, we are purchasing through the online nowadays. And yes, it was an opportunity to those people that things. In corona pandemic, which businesses has grown? Any idea? In corona pandemic, lots of business organization has faced their losses. They have lost into the particular business organization in their business. So any one particular department or one particular product or one particular field where the business has grown drastically. Can you name that particular? The business of that particular product, it has increased tremendously. Which one? Are you understood my problem? What I am going to ask you, I asked one question to you. In the corona pandemic, lots of businesses they have stopped their they have in the loss itself. But there was one product or one particular department, one particular product category which has got a tremendous growth. Tremendous growth. Anyone? I am audible to all of you.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer, sir.
Sanitizer. Yes. Anything else? Yes. It was a good question. It was a good answer. One more thing. One more. Yes. I want particular answer. It is related to my subject.
Face mask.
Mask. N95 mask and all these things. Yes, it is.
Sir, healthcare sector.
Yes. I'm not getting. One by one, please.
Healthcare sector.
Healthcare sector. Yes. I am teaching digital business. I am asking related to that. So I expect answer that. Yes. How many headphones you have currently?
Yes.
Online
business.
Online business. How many headphones you have currently? Headphones?
Sir, Flipkart, Amazon.
Yes. I am asking some question, different question. Which product sale has been increased in the corona pandemic? I am asking. How many headphones you have? I am asking my question. How many headphones you have? Headphones?
Sir, I have only one.
One. Okay.
Only one headphone.
2-3 headphones.
My dual driver.
Yes. One good question. 2-3 headphones. While coming Pune, bring that all the things. 2-3 headphones. Some, if you see that due to the e-learning facility, due to the online facility, we have started the technology. Maybe the most of parents, they don't have laptops, and if they have desktop, they are purchasing the camera, then audible, that headphones. That business has been increased, digital, in corona pandemic. So this can be done. Now we'll see. This is the image that we are going through the digital, and now we'll see that what we are going to discuss. This is a generic core subject which have 50 internal marks and 50 external marks. Nothing but university level will be there 50 marks and 50 internal level marks. So end semester examination and concurrent evaluation. So 50 marks for the concurrent evaluation, 50 marks for the end semester examination. That can be done by the University of Pune, and we have that. It has a 3-period course. Generally, we have weekly 3 classes for this subject we are going to take. In that, we have lectures of two lectures, one tutorial and one practically. So that we are going to plan for that. LTP, lecture, tutorial and practical. In tutorial, we are going to decide is there we are going for the assignment, home assignment, or open book test, or we can go for some case study. That will decide according to the how the syllabus is going on, and on that basis, and what chapter we are going to study. So depends upon the, if you are doing that studying some different things. So there is a need of field visit. So we can ask some student to do the field visit and generate the reports. So depends upon the what we are going to study. According to the, we will assign this particular task for this particular tutorial and a practical session. So it is a compulsory generic core subject. So we are going to study. In that, after studying this subject, at the end of the subject, what you are going to learn, what will be the outcome of this particular course. So why that digital business, it is included into our syllabus. So first, we are ready to remember that the conceptual framework of e-commerce, mobile commerce, and social commerce. You all are aware, you are the expert in this particular field. E-commerce, mobile commerce, and social commerce. Yes or no? Can you give the example of social commerce, mobile commerce?
Paytm.
सोशल कॉमर्स. किसी के मोबाइल का स्टेटस आपने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे टी शर्ट्स लगाए हैं, किसी ने शूज के लगाए हैं अमेजोन के, उसका स्टेटस वही रहता है. Any one of you friends, he is putting a status of the particular products in his WhatsApp status. Then we have yes, Harish.
Sir,
Maybe
like
the-
affiliate marketing, sir.
Yes.
Like affiliate marketing.
Yes. That's the part. Maybe some we are posting our product on Facebook. We are posting our product on social media, and we are viral on that. One of the things. So nothing but a very good example. Digital business. How digital can be create a popularity. Very good example. Recently happened. Recently, one news was there on various channels. What was the news? Two guys are. Have you heard that news? What the popularity that two friends has received? The digital platform. The digital platform has given the particular popularity they have identified by the other persons. Have you heard that YouTube take viral one the video recently?
Minati. Carry Minati.
It was a great YouTuber. One more, two friends, maybe they are studying into the fourth or second, third standards. They are from the Buldhana district or something. Have you heard the name Shankar Pala करके बोल रहा था?
Shankar Payan. Yes, sir.
Yes. 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 So how did that come to know? Maybe he's from the Buldhana itself, the digital platform. This is nothing but social viral. It can be social marketing. Yes. One of the maybe the recently app that has been stopped by the Indian government. Which was the app? Can you name that? Which was the app? TikTok. There was a TikTok guy who was maybe from his Ahmednagar maybe I don't know the particular name of that. I forgot that. But he has earning so much money from that. He don't have particular knowledge. He don't have particular degree from that. But he has really knows how to use that particular technology, and he has viral that particular videos on the social media, and he has earning the things. Nowadays, YouTuber, best YouTuber, maybe someone has taken the name. Lots of YouTubers are there. They are earning lakhs per day, maybe most probably they are earning that. So it is there. It is a digital business nowadays. Some blogging are going on, blogging and blogging. So lots of things are there. It can be business for us. It can be a new opportunity for you people. Then maybe you start. So this is a digital business also. So that platform you have to use it. So first we will remember that e-commerce, mobile commerce, and social commerce at the end itself. But you can at the starting itself you know that everything. Now summarizing the impact of information, mobile, social, digital, IoT, related technology on social markets and computers. So IoT, we are mobile, social, digital. We are very much know IoT. IoT, anyone? IoT, Internet of Things. Internet on Things. So we are doing that nowadays. Fans can be started with your mobile phones by setting it our office itself. You can check your home camera, which is fitted into your home. That can be checked through your mobile phones. So Internet on Things. So nowadays they have implemented that. So that things we are going to understand at the end of the particular. This is outcome. Value creation of competitive advantage in a digital business environment. We are going to create some. We will understand how digital business or how digital can be used, how technology can be used for the business. Now we can analyze examine the changing role of intermediaries, changing nature of supply chain, payment system is online and offline world. Nowadays it is vast. Yes, someone has said Paytm. Yes, Paytm, now UPI is there. Now credit card, debit card, maybe it can be, maybe we can say it can be outdated nowadays. Now we are going through the mobile phone and we can scanning the particular QR code and we are paying the thing. Within a fraction of a second, the payment has been done. It was a good initiative. That nothing but we have changed offline to the online. Generally, what happens before 2 years, maybe 3 years? Yes, we have to visit the particular banks and we have to stand into the line and we have to do our work. Nowadays, no need to stand into the queue and yes, our work can be done. In pandemic situation also, how digital has helped, how technology has helped. It was a very good example. We are taking online consultation of a doctor. Online consultation of a doctor, and doctor also given a prescription to you by while talking with you on a particular platform. Yes, this was the thing. This was the change has been happened, and we are accepted that change, that things. So that things we are going to understand at the end of the particular things. Then elaborate the various types of digital business model and outline of their business benefits and limitation. So digital business के models के outline and their benefits and limitation. Benefits and limitation of digital business. Very good example. We will go for the OLX. OLX. Have you heard the name OLX? OLX. I am audible to all of you. I am asking so many questions. OLX.
Yes, sir. OLX.
OLX. Yes. Have you used that OLX or some? You have sold some product on that. Have you purchased product on that? I am asking some benefits as well as some their disadvantages and advantages of the particular online platform also. We are much aware. We have to be aware about that, because generally if you see that if you post any particular advertisement, for example, selling of some your used bikes or cars. Recently, their scams are going on. Nowadays, we are getting so many calls from that. Post closing, immediately we are getting a call from the various customers, but some of the customers are fake customers. They are telling that we are interested in your product, we are purchasing your product. I am calling from that particular place. Kindly send your account details. Kindly send your Google payment. Maybe there are various scams related to Google Pay and Phone Pay also. They are asking for send the link. We will pay 1 rupees to you, and maybe the things can be drawn down. That things will happen. OLX पे बहुत सारे ऐसे we are getting some fake calls also. So this was a limitation also. This was also disadvantage also. That our data can be taken by the fake persons. So it can be used for the maybe the bad purpose also. This can be there. So we have to aware about these things also. We have to aware about these things also. Nowadays it is there. Lots of calls are we are getting. Various calls are getting about the fake things. They are asking for your Aadhaar card, PAN card, maybe the cyber cell of maybe the Maharashtra. They are always giving in the corona vaccine. Nowadays Covishield and Pfizer का जो है vaccination drive is going on. For that, cyber cell has already informed to all the persons, all the society that you are getting a fake calls from that. You have to register for the getting the vaccine. You have to register this. You have to give this particular Aadhaar card number, PAN card number. So nowadays this happens you are doing. So it is nothing but a digital platform. So we are going to discuss that also. At the end, we should know that this can be done. Now next, discuss the various application of digital business in the present day world. Yes, at the while course is going on, we are going to discuss the various application. Just I explained OLX, just I explained Paytm, PhonePe. So these are the application of digital business. These are the application of digital business. Now if you see that very good example, Super Daily. It was a mobile application that we are getting day-to-day vegetables, milk products online itself. You can order at the night and will get in the morning. So there is a huge requirement for this. Now nothing but this was the entrepreneurship. This was a started business, and it was it was given the platform to them to reach to the particular customer. So that things we are going to study various application into the digital platform. We are going to discuss in detail. So maybe we will go and we will ask the students to present on that. What will be the advantages? What will be the disadvantages? What will be the strength and what will be the weaknesses? And what will be the opportunities to grow into that? So maybe in future, if you start that type of products, that type of platform, surely it will be help to you. Now lecture, tutorials and practicals are there. Already I discussed. And as per the syllabus, once you start the course, once we start the teaching, we will discuss on that detailed discussion on will be there on that how we are going to conduct that 50 marks evaluation that we'll go to discuss. So first chapter we have into our syllabus into the digital business, that is electronic commerce. We are very much aware about the electronic commerce, nothing but e-commerce. So e-commerce we are going to discuss in detail the definition of e-commerce, the how regulation can be there, digital and social words, digital enterprise, virtual communities are there, virtual communities, online communities are there, We are going to discuss the virtual community, what mean by virtual community, online community, electronic markets and networks, the content and framework of e-commerce, how e-commerce can be done. So that things we are going to discuss. Nowadays we are maybe on some of the websites, online commerce website, we are getting a one-day delivery. One-day delivery, it is possible. Hello. Huh? Hold on. Hello. My voice is annoying to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then reply na please. So how I come to know that uh, you are listening. Hi, hello. How it is now? I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how the voice is coming? It is
Yes,
good or it is annoying?
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear,
Okay.
sir.
Clear.
Annoying.
Okay. Annoying. How? Okay. How many of you? How it? Kindly unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, please. Akshara, Akshara, please mute yourself. Okay. I'm audible to all of you, and how it is? Voice is clear.
It's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Audible. Okay, I will finish. I will do that. I will speak slowly, so maybe it cannot be annoying that much. So I will try that. Hmm? Okay. So first chapter we are going to discuss in that the content framework, how e-commerce can be designed, how things are there. So that we are going to discuss in detail. We are going to marketplace and market and what will be the impact of e-commerce on a business, government, customer, citizen and society. What is the impact of e-commerce on a business, government, customer and citizen and society? It should be a good impact as well as bad impact. Advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce will be there. Yes, maybe the things are happening that we are purchasing all the online products. Maybe there is a chances that those who are local shopkeepers are there, they are not getting that much customers. Maybe there is a positive competition will be there. The customers are getting product in a cheap price, maybe the low price, but those who have started their own business into a particular price, physically located stores, maybe they are getting the products. So these are the some advantages as well as disadvantages. But as per the technology change, we should change ourselves. We should learn ourselves. If you are not able to learn, surely we are outdated. Surely we are outdated. So this is the things digital business. Then second chapter we are going to discuss mobile commerce, social commerce, and IoT. Some basic concepts of IoT we are going to discuss how the IoT are there. So mobile commerce, whatever things, whatever purchase, sales can be done through the mobile application, we can call it as a mobile commerce. So that we are going to discuss attributes, application, क्या characteristics है mobile commerce के. Nowadays we are using the mobile banking. पहले था SMS banking. We can drop a SMS and we are getting the balance. If you want to check the balance of your account, we are sending SMS to 4545 and account number. We are getting a balance. Nowadays there is no need to send the message. Just go to your mobile application and do the things. Automatically, mobile balance you will get the account balance. So this was some revolutionary change into the banking sector also. Same thing it can be done into every sector. It has been changed everywhere. Everywhere it is changed. So mobile commerce we are going to discuss. The mobile marketing it is there. Shopping and advertising. Just I have said shopping and marketing related to mobile marketing. Some of the friends of some of the they are keeping their status of the particular products and that can be viral. So this can be done. Lots of things are there. Social commerce will be there. Social commerce and social business that we are going to discuss. Social media marketing, enterprise 2.0. So we are going to discuss the benefits and limitation of social commerce. What are the benefits are there? Essentials of social collaboration. Just I'm taking some of the points. consumer to consumer, electronic commerce, B2B, B2C, that terms also we are going to discuss. Then some Internet of Things we are going to discuss, that is IoT. Nowadays, IoT, it is implemented lots of homes and lots of offices, that is IoT is implemented. For example, if you are not there present into the particular home, automatically the lights are off. Lights are off. Maybe if you go for the street lights, nowadays into the Pune itself, maybe some of the place, they have placed a street light when the person is traveling from that particular road. That time only that street light can be they started, and if there is no one, it can be off. So this is the thing, smart home, saving the particular, maybe the electricity. Smart home stacking and appliances are there. Smart appliances are there. Smart cities are smart cities. Smart cars. Smart cars also there. Tesla was a good example. Maybe the some of the maybe the Hyundai ka Kona करके आ रहा है, electric vehicle. That will be also the one of the application. Smart cars. Maybe the Tata is coming with some other products also, cars. So cars, automobiles में जाओगे तो you will get. If you will go for the vigilance camera, Wi-Fi camera is there. We have nothing but smart. Variable computing and smart gadgets. A very good example, variable computing and a smart gadget. Variable computing and smart gadget. Can you list some names, smart gadgets? Can you list some names, smart gadgets?
iPad,
iPad,
MacBook,
MacBook,
Smartwatch.
Smart was very good example. Nowadays, there's one more question for you people that this was the answer that nowadays lots of human we are people, there is a society, people, they are health conscious. Nowadays, the sales of the smart watches are increased because everything can be included into the smart watches. We can check our blood pressure, we can check our heart rates, we can check our maybe the oxygen levels. Lots of things are included into the one piece. We can pick up the phones also, smart gadgets. We can control that how it was asleep, how was the sleep. It was a good, it was bad, how it is. So we are going to come to the smart gadget. Nothing but Internet of Things can be included. Technology is used to know your health. So this was the things, this was the revolutionary can be happen into the that particular technology as well as healthcare system also. So it was there, it is there. So that means we are going to discuss in detail in second chapter, third chapter, digital business ecosystem. We are going to discuss electronic commerce mechanism, how it can become, online purchase process कैसे होते हैं, e-marketplace, types of components, customer shopping, web stores, malls, portals, e-marketplace, merchant solution, that we are going to discuss. Catalogs, catalogs, very good example, catalogs. What is meant by catalogs? Catalogs. I am audible to all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Catalog,
Yes, sir.
catalog. What is my catalog? E-commerce में catalog रहता है generally फिर yes.
Yes, sir. Set of various products.
Yes, list of various products. For example, if you want to purchase a T-shirt, you will write a T-shirt, we'll get a list of T-shirts into the mobile and catalog. Nothing but according to the size, according to the price, according to the brand, the things can be presented into yourself. Maybe once you visited a particular website and आपने अपना maybe you have said that I want red color, I want blue color, I want orange color, maybe the large, medium, small size you have done. Next time itself, automatically it will present such types of products, to your that particular accounts. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then we can call that a recommendation system. For that, we are telling a recommendation system. So nothing but you heard about the Netflix. Netflix. Now it was
Yes, sir.
1 month free the last month में. So Netflix. So Netflix, if you visit a particular अपने कोई web series देखी होगी, according to automatically it will next time it will not show others which is related to that. Maybe the what last time you have seen that related to that web series can be shown to in your account. So we can call it as a recommended system. Maybe when you are creating an account on a Netflix, you have to give the name, age, mobile number, where your residence. Maybe some of the demographic features can be taken by that particular Netflix. And according to that data can be fetched and data can be analyzed. And on that basis, he recommends some videos automatically to your platform. So we can call it as a recommendation system. So we can call it as a recommendation system. It is a part of business analytics that we are recommending something what you have done into the past and what presently you are looking for that. So we can call it as a recommendation system. So this was the thing. Maybe आप जाओगे book my show पे कभी टिकट वगैरह बुक किया होगा, then recently you will get a notification of that also. आपने कोई कोई मूवी देखी होगी, मतलब it can be how it can be the then according to that. Yes.
रिव्यू पूछते सर, फीडबैक पूछते सर.
Feedback पूछते हैं. So we can call it yes, very good example feedback. Generally we are giving a feedback into the stars. We are writing feedbacks. Lots of people are writing feedback. Maybe lakhs of people are writing feedback. The movie was good. Someone is giving 4 stars. Someone is giving 5 stars. Then that particular producer or particular owner of the business, is they reading that particular reviews? पढ़ता होगा. 1 लाख रिव्यू आए हैं, 2 लाख रिव्यू आए हैं, वो पढ़ता होगा. It is possible.
No sir,
Analysis can be done. So we are using natural language processing. It is term related to the business analytics, a natural language processing. What is written into that? A machine can itself gives that. That particular customer has given a good feedback or bad feedback. It is average, it is strong, it is excellent. So we can call it a natural language processing. The computer will listen. Computer will analyze itself while reading the things and it will give a report that particular comment given by particular customer, it is a good, bad, average. What can be there? So we can do that. So recommendation system, natural language processing, we can call it as NLP. These are the some emerging technology. There is a huge requirement for these types of people, those who are working on this particular platform. Natural language. Maybe you have heard about the data science, business analytics. So these are the now emerging things. There is a huge requirement for these people also. So these are the some 2 things just I touched to the particular things. So second chapter we are going to discuss that smart card, store value cards, EC, micro payments, payment gateways. Payment gateways also there, mobile payment, digital. So these virtual currencies are there. Virtual currencies, maybe you have heard about that. Virtual currency, पता है आपको virtual currency? Virtual currency.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin. Now it is there for India. It is accepted into India. Anyone?
No,
पता है?
No sir.
No. It was not then. Maybe the government has not accepted that. Okay. Now fourth chapter will be the digital business application. We are going to discuss what are the applications are there. Lots of application now. Everything can be digital. So we are not limited to the particular area. Automobile, healthcare, education, service sector. No. Everywhere it can be used. Everywhere. So we are going to discuss some of the application which is related to our syllabus or which is related to the features, how it can be there. So we are there. Electronic retailing, B2C customer. Then we can go for the everywhere mobile application. For example, if you want to search for the job also, we are getting Naukri का जो app है, Naukri पे आप देखा होगा Naukri का. We can create our own resume itself. Resume बना सकते हैं हम. और that mobile will help you that how to create a resume. So this is nothing but AI based resume we are generating. Now your mobile phones. What is AI based camera? आप photo निकालते हो ना? And it is printed at the end, left corner, AI enabled camera. What do you mean by AI enabled camera? Anyone? Some of you have mobiles. Yes? आपके ना क्या लिखा? क्यों आपका होगा AI enabled camera? The artificial intelligence reach to your home, nothing but reach to your hands itself nowadays. That your photos can be clicked through the AI enabled. Artificial intelligence use of that. 3 cameras, 4 cameras are fitted into your mobile phones. पहले 1 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 4 megapixel, we are happy with that. Now it is a 64 megapixel. Still, we are not happy with the particular photos. So these things are there. Technology change, we have to change ourselves. So this was maybe the conclusion of this. Then e-learning, e-books are there. Basics of e-learning characteristics, advantages that we are going to discuss in detail. So this was the syllabus of the particular thing. Syllabus suggested textbooks are there. From the syllabus itself I have taken some textbooks. So these are some textbooks you can read. Otherwise, whatever we are discussing to the class, that is enough for you. So because it was recently what happenings are there, that we are going to write into this. जो भी अभी चल रहा है वही syllabus है. So whatever written into the last before 3 years, 4 years, maybe it can be outdated nowadays. 4 साल पहले बुक लिखा होगा That time his Facebook was there. Now LinkedIn is now there because LinkedIn is not included into the 4 years or 5 years back books. So LinkedIn is there. Now if you go for the WhatsApp, WhatsApp is now maybe the things, the policies has been there. They have set some policies. Maybe some of the WhatsApp people's WhatsApp community will be transferring to the others products application. Maybe Signal is coming. So these things are there. So maybe the Twitter has come. Maybe the blogging has started. So we are updated with books are there, but yes, we should update it with the current terms, current technology. Surely we can write. So these are the some books generally I prefer to read that. Otherwise, whatever we discuss, it should be truthful discussion. Where it should be a two-way discussion. Both the I am also and you also have to discuss on the particular points, and we will understand things. So because technology has been changed, and you are very much aware about that. So these are the some textbooks we are going to I will prefer for you. Second chapter we are going to discuss. I have that course in my hand. It is an internal subject I am going to take. That is a MS Excel. So Microsoft Excel we are going to discuss. We are going to study in detail. For that we have 2 credits. It is a 2 credit course. In that only maybe the lab sessions we are going to conduct 3 tutorial and 1 practical. One practical is there, but all the sessions will be conducted into the computer lab itself. You all are known about the MS Excel. Suppose MS Excel आता है ना? Everyone, MS Excel. Are you aware about MS Excel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, yes, you are all expert. But yes, we will just brush up the things what we are learned into the your graduation and your last education. Whatever we learn. Once again, we brush up that. We will try to cover the some advanced things which can be used. Some statistic, how statistic can be used. Maybe you have summer internship project. That how we can use the statistical tools into that. How we can use some Cascade test, statistical test into for your project work. So that terms we are not going to how do the addition, how the subtraction can be done. We can some basic concept we will do, and directly we can go for some advanced function. So that can be help. It can be analytical tool. We can call it MS Excel is a basic analytical tool. Everywhere it can be used nowadays. Basic analytical tool. Lots of tools are coming. Lots of tools are there into the market. Maybe you have heard about the Microsoft Power BI. It is there. Microsoft Tableau was there. So lots of tools are available into the market, but it is a basic that it will cover all the things that we will analyze. So we can analyze a numerical data into the MS Excel. So at the end of the course, after this, in the MS Excel, what we are going to discuss, what we are going to learn. So menus function, MS Excel. This was the first chapter. Maybe the menus function क्या है, MS Excel to create the format, import, merge, save, print. So that was the basic thing. You very much aware about that. So we'll take 1 or 2 lecture on that, and we will finish this, and we will go for the next. So how to basic troubleshooting and fix the mistake most people make when working with the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet पे काम करते वक्त formula लिखते वक्त क्या-क्या problems आ सकते हैं, आते basic problems रहते हैं, that we will discuss. Use various functions of MS Excel, execute a pivot table, analysis of common powerful functions and different types of lookups. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match that we are going to discuss. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, it was an essential part of the MS Excel that we are going to discuss. We will take some business related examples or maybe the research related example, and we can implement on that. So illustrate the most commonly used data manipulation command in MS Excel. Then at the end we have come to know that multiple data sources in MS Excel work with each answer related business question. We'll take some case study related to that, and we'll try to implement into the MS Excel. Create standard Excel sheet templates, routine business data management, and analytical activity. So these are the some outcome when we complete the MS Excel course. That time we are we are expert into the Excel. At least we all know that all the functions into the particular Excel. How Excel can be used for our day-to-day activity, day-to-day work. So generally we are going to learn that MS Excel. This is also the second course I am going to teach you. Then first chapter, introduction to the spreadsheet, nothing but spreadsheet. Of course, it can be rows and columns are there, the names are there, menus are there, how Excel cell किसको बोलते हैं. You are very much aware about that. But we'll take basic some of you, they don't know, maybe they are coming from the other background, those who are not computer background. So we will work for that, them also, that they will be also with us. So उनको जिनको नहीं हुआ होगा कंप्यूटर का कुछ, so we'll cover that them also in from the basic itself. So we'll cover and we'll go for the advanced level. So these are some, first chapter is the basic, number placing, cell alignment, cell rows, maybe the justify, left alignment, right alignment, that things we are going to study. हम लेटर लिखते हैं बट उसको अलाइनमेंट देना है, हाउ इट कैन बी प्रेजेंटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ मैनेजर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. प्रेजेंटेशन कैन प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. आपने एनालिसिस अच्छा किया है बट यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंटेड दैट पर्टिकुलर रिजल्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, surely it will not good presentation, maybe it will not give a proper output for you. So that things we are going to discuss, how the presentation can be done. So that this was the first chapter into MS Excel. Second chapter, defining name in Excel, sorting data using Excel tables, filtering, filter data करना है. Already that buttons are there, we have to select the data, press the button, then ascending, descending, that we are very much known about that. Chart design, कौन सा chart लेना है, pie chart, histogram, and these things we are going to discuss. Chart format tools, combo charts, function charts. So detail into that, we will take some case study and we will work on that and we will try to understand all these things in detail. Using text to columns, the paste special function, data validation, validation of the data can be done. Text function, Excel using lookups, VLOOKUPs, pivot charts, workbooks, understanding macros that we are going to understand clearly. We have to write a macros. So VBA, आपने पढ़ा होगा, Visual Basic Analysis. In that we are going to write the macros for that. Visually we are going to present. So we'll try to cover that also. So that was the advanced one. Macros लिखना है हमें. We'll try to understand that. We'll try to learn that macros also in detail. We have to give more time on writing the macros. Nowadays various knowledge process outsourcing. Maybe you have heard KPO, BPO and KPO, knowledge process outsourcing, where Excel can be used, where macros can be written. Lots of organization. Generally we can, there is an opening for the MB people, business analytics. Business analytics करके opening होती है. They have to work for the capital market or fund flow capital market, or as a backend team, where they have to work on these particular Excel format or Excel work. So they are very much aware about that macros. You have to write the macros for the particular data to getting the result. So these things we are going to, this was the advanced thing. First we'll see the basic clear cut and we'll go for the advanced. Then pivot table, it was a very important that it will give us a combined report of all the charts. Slicer report, slicer nothing but we'll filter the things that marketing with Excel. Managing customer, vendors. So these are basically managing vendor, employees, nothing but it is a case study. Employees का data लेंगे, vendors का data लेंगे, किसी का sales हुआ है, किसी का profit, sales कितना हुआ है, their production cost कितना आया है, कितने products बेचे हैं, what will be inventory management. We are very much aware about the inventory management. Those who are going for the operation, we have to work on inventory management. Inventory plays very important role for the running of business organization. हमारे पास raw material खत्म हो गया, then production cannot be possible. So inventory of raw material, inventory of finished product. Inventory of raw material can be, it is important, as well as inventory of finished product can be important. So first in, first out, first in, last out. So FIFO, LIFO, these are some methods. Maybe some of your account people, they know that these terms. So these terms can be used into the operation and supply chain. So everywhere it can be used. So that things we are going to discuss through the MS Excel. So we are going to do that. Creating and scheduling market calendars, creating a standard Excel templates for routine business data management. Yes, some routine जो work है, we can create some templates. आप template उठाओ और उसमें आप data fill कर दो, you will get the result. Nowadays, maybe we'll see that very good example into the online. We can pay, we can fill up the income tax return through the online platform. If you are not known, आपको कुछ पता भी नहीं है, what things come into that particular, हम इनकम टैक्स भर सकते हैं विदाउट नॉलेज ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स हैं, ये सब नो. आई एम ऑडिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I am talking, it is okay or not? You are audible. I am audible to all of you, no? Whatever I talk, it is understood by you.
Yes sir.
Yes. Now you will see the very good example. Now we can fill the income tax return. If you're not, for example, I have a computer background and I don't know what will be the coming to the what is account receivable, account payable. But yes, I can return the things. But there are websites are there that we will say that you go to the A part. In that A part, you can go for the A.1 and you can write the total amount. A part B mein jao, you will write this amount. And yes, if you put that, and it will give a good result. So nothing but it is a template created by that particular website. हम वहां से हम fill कर सकते हैं. पहले, if you want to return the file, yes, we have to ask for some account people. We have to ask for some chartered account. We have to ask for some expert from that particular field. Nowadays, any person, those who have knowledge or those who don't have knowledge about the particular income tax return, he can, if he is able to read the particular terms, read the particular things, yes, he can file the return file of income tax easily without taking any help from it. So nothing but it is a digital revolutionary. It is a technical revolution into the income tax. पहले हमें मैन्युअली करना था सब, अभी हम सब टेक्निकली हो गए. So nothing but digital business. Nowadays, very good example, a driving license. If you want to take a driving license, पहले कैसे था? How it was there? Driving license. सबके पास है driving license? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How would have? कैसे किया? कैसे निकाला?
लाइन लगाना पड़ता था सर.
लाइन लगाना पड़ता था. We have to ask for the agent. We have to pay some extra amount for the agent. Nowadays,
एक टाइम वेस्ट करना पड़ता था.
yes, we have to waste our 24 hours maybe then day. सुबह जाना है, लाइन में खड़ा रहना है, then we have to wait for some time. Nowadays, no need to wait for that. You can book your appointment online through your mobile phone by sitting at home. You can reach at a particular time, before 15 minutes or before 10 minutes. You can reach at home and the test can be also online. You can press the button, you will get the result at the end. आप बाहर आने से पहले आपके पास प्रिंट आउट रहती है. Nothing but technology change. And you can also for permanent license, you can apply for the permanent after 3 months. Automatically after 3 months or 2 months, as per the norms, it can be show you the yes, you are applicable, you are eligible for the permanent license, and you can book your slot, and automatically you can go for it. Very good example. One more good example I will tell you, that passport. If you want to apply, some of you have passports. Those who have not passport, maybe they can apply for the passport also. The very good example, passport. There is no need to bring any documents. Only आपका आधार कार्ड भी रहेगा. If you have an आधार कार्ड, it is sufficient for getting a passport nowadays. पहले क्या करना था, बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंट डिस्टॉर्ट करके हमें फॉर्म भरना था, उसके बाद 1 महीने के बाद नंबर आता था. नाउ नो नीड टू डू. आज फॉर्म भरोगे, कल आप लाइन में लग सकते हो. नो लाइन, इट इज नॉट लाइन. यू कैन बुक योर अपॉइंटमेंट. Only Aadhaar card, your fingerprint, and yes, within a half an hour, you're out of the particular office by getting a passport. Maybe after 10-15 days. पहले 1 महीना लगता था, 45 days, minimum 45 days to get a passport in your hand. Nowadays, within a 1 week, within a 1 week, if your file is clear, if you don't have any particular problems into your files, that particular documents, surely you will get within a 1 week. You will get a passport in your hand. पहले नहीं था. Now it is there because due to the technology, due to the digital, it is there. So yes, we have to implement. Nowadays, if you see the agents of the particular platforms, a particular business, they are maybe they are facing a problem. So this will be the disadvantage. उनका जो था पैसा कमाने का जो भी था, it was a business for them. Nowadays they are facing problem due to the technology. Advantages and disadvantages. Yes, advantages for the customer. Advantages for the who are applying for the passport and driving license. They are getting into the 300 rupees and 400 rupees. Your license is ready. For the passport, 1,000 or 1,500 rupees will be the enough. पहले 2,500, 4,000, 5,000 you have to pay. Nowadays, we are saving our extra amount due to the technology. We are saving our time. We are saving our time. Time is the money. We are very much aware about that, and we are saving that. It is a technology. So this is the platform they have created. Now Excel we are discussing managing money with Excel. Yes, account में हम balance sheet, fund flow statement, then whatever profit and loss account, we can create that. We can ratio analysis can be done through the this formulas are inbuilt. Formulas are there in Excel itself. Just we have to drag and drop, or we can just click on that particular formula and now result can be there. हमें रेशियो एनालिसिस निकालना होगा, what will be the asset based ratio, the current asset and what will be the current liabilities, we have to check. No, आप दे दो and we'll click on that, we'll get the result. So this kind of things can be there. So investment calculation, depreciation, what mean by depreciation? Anyone? Account? Depreciation? I'm a computer
over
background.
time value कम हो जाता है
हाँ?
good.
Yes, anyone? Sagar, please wait. I will ask someone. Anyone? Depreciation?
Decrease in the value.
Yes. Which
Sir,
one?
decreasing in the value of the assets.
Yes. Yes. What will the any rate of depreciation? Can we? Fixed rate is there? Depreciation?
10%.
No, sir.
10%.
10%.
No, sir.
No, sir. 10%.
Sir,
No,
there
sir.
are different type methods.
Yes, there is different
Written
type.
down method and
Yes.
one
Yes.
say fixed method.
Fixed method. Maybe the just someone has said 10% fixed method. Or written down maybe the as per the your particular value of the particular your product reaching down, तो आप उससे कम कर सकते हो. So maybe the account people they know very well. So these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So we'll try to convert into the Excel instead of we are whatever doing into the notepad or through the pen. So we are trying to convert into the digitally. So we'll try for that. We'll work on that. So this is the Excel. Then suggested syllabus books. Excel के books हैं 2016 Bible and all this. Generally instead of reading the books, you will see the YouTube channels. From the YouTube channel, we will learn everything detail. So reading the books instead of reading करने से अच्छा कि हम visually देखेंगे how it can be implemented. Surely it can be very impact. It will create an impact on our. So we will learn that. So these are the some. I suggest some textbooks. These are textbooks are available in our library. You can prefer also. So we'll try to. Now I am the computer background faculty. I am a business analytics faculty. And just I am extending. It is digital towards the business analytics. Some of the you may be the specialization. One of the specialization from MBA, that is a business analytics. So it is related to that. Here, first semester syllabus is over. I am taking digital business and I am taking MS Excel. So this is the orientation of that. This is the some basic, but this is the advanced to that particular two subjects. So business analytics. Nowadays, business analytics, there is a huge requirement for the business analytics, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So these terms are coming into the market. If you see into the Naukri, Times Jobs, or anywhere, you will find lots of jobs for these particular terms. Why it is so? Why it is so?
Manpower बहुत कम available है.
Yes.
Manpower available is very less.
Manpower is available very less. Okay, not an issue. But one more. वैक्सीन आने में इतना क्यों टाइम लगा? जल्दी आ गई वैक्सीन, बट आने के लिए टाइम लगा वैक्सीन. What is the process? वैक्सीन का प्रोसेस कैसा था? क्या कर रहे थे?
सर स्टेजेस रहते हैं उसके टेस्टिंग के.
Yes. Stages रहते हैं. So they are going with the, for example, why I am giving the example. Generally, they have drive before coming into the market. The particular vaccination, they have drive testing drive, a voluntary testing drive. They are giving the vaccination to them, and they are collecting their data, and they are analyzing the data. What will be the impact of that vaccination on the particular human being? What will be the impact on that? And they are analyzing from that. Maybe the vaccination developed by the Serum Institute. That vaccination can be given for the India people. That vaccination given for the outside country also. The USA, Japan, everywhere it can be given, and data can be collected from the various country, and they have analyzed that. Lots of data has been come. Data बहुत सारा आया होगा. Data बहुत सारा आया होगा. बहुत सारे फील्ड्स रहे होंगे. Age different रहा होगा. Sex different रहा होगा. What are the features has been come? Data collect किया मतलब क्या किया? नाम collect किया? No. नाम तो आया ही होगा. Age, sex, then country, कब दिया होगा रीजन, हाँ, उसका हेल्थ बैकग्राउंड क्या था, डायबिटिक था, ब्लड प्रेशर था, क्या था. So is there we are giving to them also blood pressure जिसका था 150 160 था, जिसका शुगर था, उनको देने के बाद क्या है, सब डेटा आने के बाद उसको एनालाइज किया and they come to some result and that can be presented in front of the committee and they come to know that yes that vaccination is safe for everyone. So analysis of the data can be there. बहुत सारे लोगों का एनालिसिस डेटा करने के बाद हमें पता चला. So analysis can be plays very important role. Lots of statistical tools techniques can be used for that. So nowadays if you see that the customers, अभी Amazon पे देखोगे बहुत सारे customers आते हैं and the data can be stored into the particular database. So according to the requirement the data can be analyzed by the Amazon, Google and according to that they will recommend you products. So बहुत सारे fields रहते हैं and that fields cannot be. हम कितना एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं, 5 कॉलम 10 कॉलम तक हम, yes we are limited with the 10 entries, we are limited with the 100 entries, we are limited with the 1000 entries. A human being can be done, but after 1000 entries human being can be done on mistakes, errors can be there, but a computer once we learn, once we educate the computer, we are educating the computer, which is called as a machine learning. Machine learning nothing but we are learning, we are educating, we are giving a training to the machine. You learn this. This is the data. This is the things. You can learn this. When next data will come to you, you can do yourself. Whatever you can do yourself, analyze the data and give the result to me. It can be 1 lakh data, it can be 2 lakh data, whatever data can be done. So training can be given to the machine and machines are capable to give you the results, give you the analysis of a particular results, analysis of the particular data. So we can call it as a machine learning. Nothing but machine learning. So machine learning क्या? This is the machine learning. We are educating the particular machines. They can learn the data, they can learn the things, and next time when the data has been come, when the things can become to them, they can learn themselves, they can do the analysis themselves and give the final result to me. Just I click submit, I can get the result. So before that, we have to train the data. We can train the machines. So machine learning. So business analytics, it is there. So we have, these are the subjects, those who are taking specialization in future. So they have business, basic business analytics using R. We are going to discuss data mining, mining, nothing but fetching some records from the hidden things. So data mining, it was advanced statistic method using R. R programming is there. Those who are computer background students, maybe they know about the R programming. Now it is very much important, machine learning and cognitive intelligence using the Python. Nowadays Python programming, there is a huge requirement for these people also, those who have Python skills, Python knowledge, Python language knowledge. We are using Python for that machine learning. Maybe there is lots of companies are using Python for the machine learning. Economics of network industries, that artificial intelligence and business application. In business application, this was the second semester, third semester, and fourth semester subjects are there for the business analytics. This was the advanced to these things. Syllabus for the second business analytics specialization. We are going to discuss marketing analytics, retailing analytics, and workforce analytics. Workforce analytics, it is related to the HR. Workforce analytics, for example, job retention. What mean by job retention? Retention, job retention. There is a high retention rate into the IT companies. Employee turnover ratio. Anyone? I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whatever I am talking, it is understood by you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. रिटेंशन बहुत कम है आईटी में.
आईटी में कम है, ज्यादा है?
कम है सर, जॉब बहुत चेंज करते हैं सर.
तो कम है नहीं, हाँ ज्यादा है ना.
सॉरी.
Retention is high. Nilesh, yes, retention is high. ज्यादा है. Because if you go for the manufacturing company, the retention rate of the particular sector, it is low as compared to the IT companies. Because in IT companies, there is a requirement, there is opportunities for the skilled people is high, and maybe the things are there, the basic needs. We can call it as a basic need. What are the basic needs of a human being? What are the basic need? Basic needs. हाँ?
Financial security. Financial
Yes?
security.
रोटी
नहीं।
कपड़ा मकान
हाँ क्या क्या नीलेश रोटी
बेसिक नीड रोटी कपड़ा मकान बेसिक
रोटी कपड़ा मकान yes food cloth and shelter yes or no but nowadays money will be there will be basic need and
Yes, sir. Unvast निवारा.
and mobile phones will be the basic need.
Education is the
changes by
basic need of our
generation changes
One
by
by one.
generation day to day.
Big house. Big house.
Our basic needs are changes by day to day.
Yes, basic needs cannot be changed day to day, but yes, money can be required, and this is maybe the motivational factor that high retention rate into the IT companies, IT sector. That lots of employees are changing the roles, changing their jobs after 6 months, after 1 year, they are changing their job, and it was a challenge. It was a challenge for our student. It was a challenge for our student. Yes or no? हमारे स्टूडेंट को चैलेंज है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because my students will be the HR manager in one of the IT companies, and he or she will face the problem of that. How the particular employees will be in my company? Should because वो आधा प्रोजेक्ट करेगा और आधा प्रोजेक्ट छोड़ के चला जाएगा. Then it will be a problem for the HR people, HR persons to recruit a such type of skilled person in the company and retain that particular person, retain that particular employee in our company. It is a big job, it is a big challenge for them, HR people, nowadays into the IT companies. Skilled employees retain into the particular current company. It is a big challenge for that. So we are doing a workforce analytics. हमारे पास एम्प्लॉय कितने हैं, हमें कितने चाहिए, हम कितने लोग दे सकते हैं. So this is nothing but analysis of the particular things, nothing but inventory management of a human being also. Inventory management. हमें कितने लगने वाले हैं, हमारे पास कितने हैं, हमारे पास स्किल कितने हैं, अनस्किल कितने हैं, प्रोजेक्ट को कितने देने चाहिए, इस प्रोजेक्ट को कितने देने चाहिए, मैनेजर कितने हैं, उसमें से टीम लीडर कितने हैं. That things nothing but analysis. सब एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा एचआर को. So that it is nothing but a workforce analytics. Workforce analytics. Retail analytics, it is related to the marketing analytics. It is also related to marketing analytics. So this term, Tableau, it was one of the tool used into for this. It is a data representation tool. Tableau. The requirement for this people also educated, skilled person who having a Tableau knowledge, where we can create the dashboards. Maybe some lectures we will conduct on this Tableau and Power BI, because now it is essential for all the students. So we will see if we get the time, we will work on that. Then data warehousing, project type cycle management, we are going to discuss those who are taking business analytics. So this is the next third semester, social media, web and text analytics. Just I said natural language processing, social media, web and text analytics. So someone has said we are writing a review, we are writing a feedback. So nothing but a text analytics. We are going to analyze the reviews. कैसे करना है? By using the Python, we have to do that, and we have to do some machine learning algorithm applied. We have to apply some algorithm on that, and we will get the things. Then we are going to, in that industrial Internet of Things, we are going to discuss supply chain analytics. Yes, operation people, those who are taking operation, they need a supply chain analytics. So how the products can be reached to the final customer, maybe the raw material to the finished product, or raw material from the supplier to the end user, how it can be reached in a particular time, within a particular time. So nowadays, lots of e-commerce websites, they are providing, they have a chain, they are getting SMS, your product has been reached to the particular place, your product has been reached to the particular things, your product is coming to buy this particular person, he is going to come to your phone at this particular time, and you will get a product. So this is the thing. So supply chain analytics. How the changes can be done? How the changes can be done? पहले कैसे था? We are getting a letter from the post office. It will take 8 days, 10 days. Yes, we are not able to track them. Where it is that particular assignment, a particular consignment. No. Then cognitive analytics, IBM tool का है. It is an IBM tool. That IBM company का tool है. That now one more thing, SPSS is there. It can be also statistical techniques, statistical tool where we can implement, where we can use for the analyzing of our data. Then e-commerce analytics, those maybe they can be effective for the marketing people, it can be effective for the entrepreneurship also. हमारा जो e-commerce commerce का है या business है कैसे करना है, so we can go for that e-commerce analytics. Maybe some of you heard about the Google Analytics also. Google Analytics भी पता होगा आपका. The e-commerce analytics second part, healthcare analytics and Watson and Scala and Scar. So these are some technology enabled tools are there or languages are there. So we are going to study into the business analytics domain. So this is the advanced level of the digital business. जो हम देख रहे थे फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में हम बेसिक देखेंगे, then second semester and third semester those who are taking business analytics as a major specialization, they are going to study these terms, these techniques into the business analytics domain. So this was the some outline of maybe the orientation of the first digital business and MS Excel, and some of the we have just touched the business analytics specialization, not in detail, but we are just trying to understand some of the subject what we are going to study, because this time itself, maybe last year itself only, University of Pune has implemented a major specialization of business analytics. Earlier it was not there. As per the requirement of the current current requirement of the market, they have implemented business analytics as a major specialization into the particular MBA syllabus. So maybe you can opt for that as per your requirement, as per if you have decided. Now it is not required to decide, but into the second semester you can decide. You can decide on that. You can take a call for that, and we will discuss on that, and maybe you can take a decision. So this is the this is the end from my side, and open for the question and answer. If you have any doubts, please ask any questions.
सर बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स करके जॉब रोल क्या मिलता है शुरुआत में?
Yes, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स करके आपको एज अ बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स करके भी पोस्ट है, मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर करके है, डेटा एनालिटिक्स की पोस्ट है, डेटा एनालिटिक्स की भी पोस्ट बहुत सारी. Nowadays if I just BPO, KPO, I just given a names, two names. So in that KPO we have knowledge processing outsourcing, there is business analytics post will be there. So we will get that. In IT companies, maybe there are some healthcare, just I said healthcare analytics, I said marketing analytics. Marketing analytics, for example, BE people, for example, BE candidate, he don't know about the what are the marketing. उसने BE किया and he has joined the company. But you have completed your BE, you have completed your MBA, and you know how the marketing can be done. What are the concepts are coming into the marketing? That can be, we can call it as a domain knowledge and technical knowledge. We are dividing the domain knowledge and technical knowledge. Domain knowledge, nothing but a marketing related knowledge. For example, हमें banking का application बनाना है. We have to create one banking application. As a HR people, maybe your HR of the particular bank. Whom should you recruit? MBA HR or some IT persons? Or MBA HR with a BE computer, he is there or she is there, and some of the BE computer MCA ऐसे लड़का आ गया, कोई कैंडिडेट आ गया. The HR people will recruit whom?
BE plus HR.
BE plus HR. Because if nothing but nowadays company require a domain knowledge. For example, in Corona pandemic, there was an application can be created through the voice. हमारा जो आवाज है, हमारा आवाज जो भी आएगा, a patient will speak in front of the particular machine, and machine will come to know that patient has corona or not. ऐसा एक न्यूज आया था. It was a fake or it was real, I don't know. It was product created by some IIT peoples. And
yes, sir.
If you heard that news,
yes sir, yes sir.
Yes sir, that right. So how it come to know as a B people, as a computer background, I don't know what is the voice modulation. Voice modulation ऐसा होने के बाद हम लैपटॉप में कोड लिख सकते हैं. A computer graduate people can write a code, but healthcare वाला जो भी है डॉक्टर can say यस, इसके हार्ट रेट जब 80 के ऊपर जाएंगे तो 80 का रिस्क, कंप्यूटर वाले को कुछ पता नहीं है, 80 रहेगा 85 रहेगा, वो लिखेगा 85 कुछ भी नहीं लिखेगा, बट जो रिजल्ट देना है अ डोमेन एक्सपर्ट कैन रिकॉर्ड. So we want that. So HR into the workforce analytics of the workforce. The MBA HR can be required. HR people, because they know that what is the retention, what is the recruitment, what is the selection, how selection can be done, what is the process of selection, how the things can be done. सब है, but a domain expert can be required. हमें कोई application बनाना है, for example banking application, debit, credit, merger, acquisition और maybe profit and loss account क्या है, only account persons can be done. Depreciation, someone has said 10%, but Pallavi said there are two types. Detailed knowledge. We want a domain. If you are going through the domain knowledge, detailed knowledge. She said there are two types. One is the fixed and one is the reducing balance method. Maybe this thing. Maybe some, if there is no domain knowledge, surely your product cannot be reached into the particular मतलब आप उतना प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं बना सकते. So this is the thing. So we want a particular expert into that. So domain knowledge we want. So there is a requirement for those people. There is a requirement for those having a technical enabled technical sound knowledge as well as a domain knowledge. Surely you will get a good job. But you have to work on the technology itself. Technology as well as domain knowledge. Yes. Any question? Anyone?
सर गवर्नमेंट में क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है इसके लिए?
गवर्नमेंट में क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है? अभी गवर्नमेंट में everywhere it can be there, it can be used. Nowadays very good example, just you have applied for the MBA and while seat acceptance you have seen the things. seat acceptance के बाद पहले हमें बैंक में जाकर डीडी बनाना पड़ता था. Now you have paid through phone pay. While seat acceptance, maybe you have come to that particular seat acceptance, we are scanning our mobile phones and we are paying the amount. How the digital can be changed. There is a nowadays
saving
government also changing their roles. Government changing from the traditional things to the technology enabled things, and there is a need of analytics. There is a need of analytics. So everywhere, not into the government sector, it should be into the public sector, it should be the private sector. It should be a small scale industry, it should be a big MNC, multinational company. If you are trying to implement into that, for example, आपका छोटा सा business है, you have started into the small business in your home, at your hometown. Now it is your responsibility how it should be a local business to the global business. It is totally you. Now I just said that yes, you can create your account on Amazon. You should be create an account of Flipkart. Otherwise, you can create an application of your products and you can spread. You can viral that product, viral your application. So the customers of the particular product they can reach to you. For example, अभी आप FM सुनते होंगे, बहुत सारा एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ रहा है. There was one urban नगर का कुछ तो है. They have started their entrepreneurship. बहुत सारा FM पे आता है. Just I'm listening that. So they have started their maybe their entrepreneurship. They started their farm. They are giving the vegetables from the farm to the direct to the customer. So how they can come to know? So this is a local. वो क्या करते थे? निका whatever talks will be there. They will be the aid and they can come to the market and they can sell to the particular things. But they are not there. They are coming to the local to the global. Now it is totally on you, totally on the particular person, how he has reacting to that particular thing. कैसे react करता है उसके ऊपर है. How you are using that. So there is a huge requirement for these people. So but at least we should know about the digital technology. Always we should know about the technology. We are updated with the technology and it will be create an opportunity to you. Applying for the job. Applying for the job. By post हम resume डालेंगे तो आएगा क्या हमें कॉल? हम by post resume डाल दिया, post डाल दिया, इनोलॉग में हम भेज दिया Infosys को. Can we get the call?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no? No. If you submit your resume within a 1 day or 2 days, you will get a call. This is the thing. We are reaching to the particular customer, reaching to the particular target audience within a fraction of a second. So yes, there is a lots of terms and lots of fields are there. There is a need of analytics. There is a need of analysis. There is a need of these persons, those who are lots of things. Nowadays you see that mobile phones. Nowadays, just I give an example. Triple camera, 4 cameras are in mobile phones. Things have changed. पहले तो मोबाइल फोन का यूज, अभी हम व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, हमारा मोबाइल इंटरनेट का यूसेज भी देखोगे, नाउ वी आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द 1.5 GB आल्सो डेली. Yes or no? Are you satisfied with the 1.5 GB daily?
Sure.
1.5 GB. We are at the end of the evening. We are not going to check the status of the friends because we have crossed our daily limits. The data usage of your internet has been increased day by day, and that data can be taken. That data can be taken by the particular companies. पहले 1 GB का पैकेज आता था, अभी 1.5 GB से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. धीरे धीरे हमारे नीड अलग हो रहे हैं. We are getting SMS from the particular provider. कैसे आ रहे? They are analyzing your data, analyzing the whatever browsing you are doing, whatever things you are doing, what are the activities you are taking out into particular day. According to that, companies are recommending the things to you. How it can be possible? Without analysis, without data analysis, it is not possible. And it is manually. If you want to do the analysis of the data manually, it is not possible to anyone. It is not, because lakhs of data, lakhs of crores of records will be there into the particular thing. For example, बैंक में भी जाओगे, कितने सारे अकाउंट्स रहेंगे, बहुत सारे अकाउंट्स रहेंगे, उनका डेटा एनालिसिस करना होगा. तो एज अ मैनेजर, एज अ particular assistant, it is not possible. Without technology, no. Analysis will be there. Analysis is required.
Sir.
And please.
सर बिझनेस अनालिटिक्स साठी हॅलो.
येस प्लीज बोल.
बिझनेस अनालिटिक्स करण्यासाठी सर ग्रॅज्युएशन मध्ये म्हणजे टेक्निकल फील्ड मधून ग्रॅज्युएशन केलेलं गरजेचं आहे का?
असं काही नाही. देयर इज नो नीड टू एनी बॅकग्राऊंड फॉर द टेक्नॉलॉजी, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम द बेसिक इटसेल्फ. अँड
आणि सर ते पायथॉन टूल,
Python is a basic language. It is whatever writing into the English, same thing if you write into their platform, that particular editor will get a result. No, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि we want some basic about the Python and C. पहले होता था, पहले रिक्वायरमेंट था कि C आपको आना चाहिए था, बेसिक आपको कंप्यूटर चाहिए था. Nowadays, अभी फॉर एग्जांपल आप जाओ सब्जी की दुकान पे वेजिटेबल परचेस करने के लिए and ask that qualification of that particular vegetable seller. उसके पास है क्या एजुकेटेड, बट ही इज यूजिंग मोबाइल फोन, फोन पे ही हैज ऑल द बारकोड्स ऑन हिज इन हिज शॉप. वो ही इज डूइंग हिज बिजनेस, वो ट्रांसफर भी कर रही है, नहीं भी कर रही है. सो नाउडेज इट इज अ टूल बेस्ड. बहुत सारे टूल्स आए हैं इसमें. अभी मैंने बोला पावर भी है, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप. आप ड्रैग करो, उसको ड्रॉप करो, आपको रिजल्ट आएगा. आपका फॉर एग्जांपल हमें पाई चार्ट निकालना है एक डेटा का, तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सेल में उसको डेटा को सिलेक्ट करते हैं और हम उसको जाते हैं इंसर्ट पाई चार्ट और पाई चार्ट आएगा. बट यहाँ पे जो पावर भी है, टैब्लू बोल रहे हैं ना, हमें बस क्लिक करना है, उसको ड्रैग करना है और यू हैव टू गो टू द एडिटर एंड थिंग्स कैन बी डन. ऐसा है. सो दीज आर देयर, बट little bit we have to study on the technology. थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा. That we will cover that into the particular. So Python R programming है, it is a tool based. बहुत सारा R भी tool based है. Then I just said Tableau, I said, then I said Cognos said. So these are the tools that can be used for the data analytics, business analytics. Machine learning with Python है, उसको लिए थोड़ा बहुत knowledge चाहिए Python का, but we will learn that. Python ही चाहिए, दूसरे लैंग्वेज में नहीं होता है. Python and R, we are doing machine learning through that, and we have into the syllabus Python, and it is a basic language, so everyone can understand clearly. So there is no need. At least you can go to the first semester, and as per the change, cover the things. तब आपको पता चलेगा कि you will come to that particular decision कि क्या करना है. So we come to know that. Any questions from your sides? Any questions? Akshay? Any question? Kunal? Are you there? Some of you? Pallavi is there. Hello? एक बात. Okay. Yes. Please. Anything you want to share? Anything you want to share? If you have any questions now, anyone? Harish?
No question, sir.
No questions. Devendra? Sanket? Any questions?
No questions, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Can you conclude someone that what we have done into the last lecture? How many are present? I am going to check. This will be the test. What we are discussing last maybe the 60-70 minutes. What we discussed. Someone will conclude. Sir, we have understood that. Now voice is clear or there is still voice is there? Hello.
It is clear, sir. It's clear.
Okay. The next lecture will be okay. So I can. So someone will conclude that, sir, we are understood this is this, and we have discussed this, and this will be the conclusion, sir. Someone. So I can come to my. This is the feedback for me that whatever I have taught in the last 70 minutes, yes, you are understood or not. So next time I can prepare for that. So this is we can call it a self feedback. We can take a self feedback that what my students they are getting or not. So someone will conclude, and this is an activity. As sir said, whenever you will get a chance in induction program, I am giving a chance to you that present in front of a 45 student what you understood. So this is the chance. So sir said, maybe various faculty from the industry, they said that whenever you will get a chance, try to grasp that, try to grab that and make the, maybe you can be a part of that. So I am giving a chance to conclude things. Someone erase the hands, please, those who are interested to conclude.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sagar.
Sagar.
Yes.
So we learned today the basics of business analytics and applications in various sectors.
Yes.
How it can be used in various sectors. What are the softwares?
Okay.
And current trends.
Okay.
How technology can solve our problems, can and save our time and money in our day-to-day life.
Okay.
What are the benefits in private sector and government sector? What are the job opportunities we have currently? That's it, sir.
Okay. Very nice, good. Then next, Pallavi, can you explain some? Pallavi Devre.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Conclude.
Yes, sir. In this lecture, we get to know about the business analytics.
Business analytics will be specialized in second semester. Digital business we are going to study.
That what is the importance of business analytics?
Okay. Yes. You are not audible.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. So then, what the importance of MS Excel and how we can use the MS Excel in our studies and in business also. And we will study advanced Excel from starting to advanced. And for the business analytics, there are the courses and the different type of subjects. If the person take the specialization in the business analytics, then they can study in physically, and after that, when they go into the company, they can use their knowledge in that company.
Yes.
And what is the different type of different technology coming to the market, like smart watch and smart headphones,
Yes.
etc.
Yes.
Yes.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Very good. Yes, very good. Nice explained by both Sagar and Pallavi. Yes, it was a very good session. Thanks for your cooperation while there was an interruption at the starting due to the headphone and all these things. So you are there with me that time. And Shubham has joined now. Now we are at the end of the things and we are joined now. Okay. One more thing I have to announce that we have a competition. Vatsar has already told you the competition, related competition, ideas competition. So I request all of you that take a part into that competition. It is online competition. Make some presentation. We have discussed today's digital platform. So you can create some that prospectus. Or if you are taking this as a challenge, this can be an idea for you where you can implement. So if you take part into that competition, it will create a value addition for you. So we are giving certificates to them also, and it will create some value addition to that. So your resume can be there. You can write, I was the first winner. I am the first into that particular competition. I have won that particular prize. So it was a create. It is a value addition into the resume. It was a small thing. Create a presentation and apply for that particular competition. 2 or 3 people students can come together, create a formal group and create some small presentation which will give an idea. So it will be lots of things we have discussed today. A smart watch, smart band, mobile phones. So maybe just I give an example of farmer to the end user. So you can take these also an opportunities. So these are the ideas. How we are going to present. So it will be this is the competition and this is the platform to present yourself. So I expect some entries. Some of you already has given their names. They have given their teams to the Vatsar. So I request all of you. Those are not given. It is a platform. It is online. So create at least if you give 30 minutes or 40 minutes, that's enough for to create this presentation. If you created that, surely you will get a benefit of that. So maybe some others how they are presenting, how things they are doing. So as a marketing, you are as a manager. I am looking towards as an entrepreneurship. You are an entrepreneur. You are starting your own organization. This is the initial. This is a startup. meaning आपको यहाँ से भी आइडिया आ सकता है while giving presentation. कोई behavior है, आपको वहाँ से भी presentation का आइडिया कुछ आ सकता है to start the business, start the things. Some of your friends they have owned their business. आपके कहाँ से बहुत सारे लोगों की खुद की business है. They are working on that. So this is thing. Maybe this will be the platform for you. I request all of you to please participate into the event because this is our institute event. हमारे घर का event है, हमारे college का event है. That I expect my students will be presenting to that competition. So it will create value for us also. हमारे लिए भी अच्छा होगा कि yes, my students are into the particular field, and you also get some benefits of that. So that's from my side. I will stop here. So can we end the meeting? Can we end our meeting?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Yes,
very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll
Thank
stop.
you, sir.